Ladies and gentlemen, I'm ENAYAT Fatma. Today, I'm here to talk about the most important topic that I personally think it needs to be considered in every part of the world, and that is the problem we are facing due to climate change. So today, in this conversation, I will talk about what are the problems by which the climate has been totally harmed and what action needs to be taken to prevent this problem. So my friends, without wasting your time, I want to start. My friends, this is called as a 21st era. It's like a modern era in which we are trying to reach the stars. We are finding life on other planets. We are trying to get the information regarding what is in the universe. But what about our own beloved planet Earth? We are not doing much about that. On the contrary, whatever is available in this nature, we are just using it in excess amount, and excess everything is bad. And it's too bad, my friends. It's too bad. I'm not saying that stop getting information regarding the universe, stop reaching the stars. I'm just trying to say our first priority should be to protect our own planet Earth. And in that way, I feel that we are not doing much about that. My friends, there is only one life. There isn't any other life. Everyone has only one life. But due to climate change, every day we feel like this day can be our last day on this planet. Due to unwanted change in temperature in many places, due to heavy temperature, people are suffering their life hardly. In many places, due to heavy cold, people are dying. Glaciers are melting. And so floods are happening in many of the countries. Earthquakes are happening, volcanoes are bursting, and so many people are dying every day. We have the recent examples of what happened in the forest of Australia or what happened in the forest of Amazon. Millions of animals were killed. Millions of trees were fired. It shows, my friends, climate change has become the biggest problem. We need to sort out it. So, today, and the most important thing is that this whole problem has been created by the so-called human. I think we should not call ourselves as a human because this is not humanity. I can call it like we are criminal, where we are not just killing to ourselves, we are killing to those trees, we are killing to those animals, we are killing to those birds. Every single living being is paying for it. If you think that if it happens in Australia, you are not going to pay for that. Let me complete my sentence, my friend. If you are in any part of this earth, you will have to pay for it. You will have to pay for it. We use excess amount of cars, buses, and bikes that produces carbon dioxide and that makes the air polluted. So whenever we breathe that impure air, we suffer from a lot of fatal diseases. The numbers of industries are increasing in the name of development and inventions, with the area of forest is decreasing day by day. Plastic we are using in excess amount that harms to the environment. We are not saving water, though we know that it is a very important part of our life. We are cutting trees every day. Lakhs of trees are cut. Though we know we get oxygen by those trees, they are the lifeline. But what we are doing, we are just kidding. We are killing to those trees. We are blasting mountains, rocks to get many costly things, and that way earthquakes are happening. In many places, my friends, in every part of the world, everyone is suffering from it. So today, we have to decide that where we want to live. Because if it keeps on going, their day is not so far when there will be no life on this planet. Because this world is about in the phase that where you cannot imagine your life, that your life is a secure life, a safe life. We are harming the ozone layer. Though we know that that is a protection for us, but what we are doing, we are just harming it. We are not considering that this is the most important topic that needs to be talked everywhere. My friends, we need to take action today. So, the first and the foremost thing, it's my request to all the inventors that please don't invest such things that harms to the environment. And even I don't understand that where we are living, my friend. We call ourselves that we are in 21st era, where we have a machine to get pure air. We have a machine to get pure water. What is this? Where we are living? On the contrary, we should spread awareness to the people to plant trees as much as we can. But what we are doing, we are inventing machines. Means we are living in that era where we are totally dependent on the machines, my friends. We need to consider it. We need to stop this. It's my request to all those inventors, please don't invent such things that harms to the environment. On the contrary, and it's my request to the government of every country to take action regarding this problem. I'm very thankful to the many countries who are taking this as a very important topic and they're considering it. They're taking action behind it. The first and foremost thing we need to do is we should decrease the amount of cars and buses and bikes on the roads. We should not use plastic. Plastic should be banned. We need to save water. We need to save all the non-donable things. And we need to spread awareness to the people to plant trees as much as we can. We need to stop the industries. We need to decrease the amount of industries. I'm not saying just stop it, but it needs to be decreased so that it doesn't harm to the environment. So my friends, and in the place of cars and buses fuel, we can use biogas to produce, and by replacing those fuels, we can also use biogas and in the place of LPG, that is very safe and secure, and there is no harm to the environment. So my friends, whatever I mentioned, I think you have understand that really the climate change is the biggest problem that everyone is suffering from it. My friends, at last I want to say that you and I can make the change. We have to decide that where we want to live. Because tell me, my friends, what is the beauty of this planet? The beauty of this planet is animals, trees, we humans, birds, and every natural thing that has been provided by the Almighty. But if we keep on destroying it, Earth will be not the beautiful place. So we will have to decide it. Today, we will take oath, we will spread awareness to the people, and we will plant trees as much as we can. We will decrease the amount of cars and buses. We will not use in excess amount. So we will save water. We will save coal. We'll all save the fuels for the future, for the coming future. So if we do such types of things, we can prevent this problem. My friends, saying these words, I want to conclude, and tell me in the comment section that what you are doing to prevent this problem, what is your action behind it. And saying these words, I want to conclude. Allah Hafiz.